it's me, Carlin. Welcome back. I'm at the house downstairs. So there's quite a lot of building that's been going on in where the old kitchen used to be. So I'm literally standing in the old kitchen. You can see behind me now, it doesn't look like that at all. So they've been really busy this week, not just with breaking down the roof, but actually massive building and construction. So on the outside, a lot of the rubble now is being taken away. All the thatch rubble is being taken away. And then on the inside here, we're busy building. Why am I blurring? So I just want to take you, let's just have a little walk, and then I can just show you. Now I'm literally standing in the old kitchen. You can see all the way around, but I'm just going to swap my camera quickly, and then we can just have a look at what it looks like and the building. I'm literally standing in the old courtyard with the garage behind me, which is now going to be our Cape Breed office. So let me just show you quickly what it looks like. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed that. So please follow on our social media channels. And next up, we are going to have architect Stefan Beyers with us. He's going to come chat a little bit about the project, inspiration, trouble he's had with the design and all that stuff. So follow back and watch our next interview. See you later. Bye.